Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no. Then God made two great lights, the greater light that ruled the day, and the lesser light to rule the night.
He made the stars also, God set them in the firmament of the heavens,
to rule over the day, overnight,
to divine the light from the darkness, the synonym for the sky, where heaven is firmament above around.
These seven signs to aid us, prepared for most important day of our lives in all human history of mankind. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no, no. So firmament is about to happen. It's gonna change inside you to you, yeah. This firmament is mentioned 15 times at least, I know.
Is upstairs but coming down for you, yeah. It talks about water above earth, how, yeah, there is plenty water upstairs within.
Just need to be commanded to come down with thundering, and we got another great flood.